Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to fulfill orders on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So we can read this article here. First of all, open your admin panel and go to orders. Click the order number of an unfulfillment order. Optional if you're using multiple location, and if you want to change the location that you are fulfilling the order from, then click the name of the location on the fulfillment card and click change location. Select the location that you want to use and click save. If you're using Shopify shipping for store based in the United States, Canada or Australia, to buy a shipping label for your order, then select create shipping label. If you are using a carrier other than Shopify shipping, then click mark as fulfilled and enter the tracking number from your shipping provider. The tracking URL is shown in the customer shipping confirmation and shipping updated emails. If you want to send a notification email to the customer right away, then select send shipment details to your customer now. Click fulfill items to mark the order as fulfilled. If you're using Shopify shipping, then select the shipping service and click buy shipping level. The order screen updates to display the order's fulfillment status. So this is how you can fulfill an order on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.